welcome back to my channel, and today will be really like exciting unboxing. Can I call it like this? Really exciting haul. Yeah, we'll call it like this. Really exciting haul. Uh, I'm really happy just because I finally bought the things that I really want to have in my wardrobe. So yeah, let's get started. I have like 2 bags of clothes. It's actually not a lot, but for the like first, but it's okay for now just because actually it's not really warm in my country now, just because yesterday there was a fucking snow and 0 degrees. I was just like, what? I was so confused just because I have never seen snow in the May. Yeah, it's already 10th of the May, and it's like the snow, okay? But today it's actually 10 plus 10, so it's okay. But in the May I want plus 20. Okay, let's get started with New Yorker. Actually, I didn't really like New Yorker in the past just because I thought they're like, I couldn't find something good for me. But today I visited and I was like, yo, there was actually a lot of cool things, but it's really hard to find. So yeah. Okay, the first thing I actually like already unboxed it. I was, when I first saw it, I was like, yo, I need to buy it. Look at this. It's like the clip for the hair and with like a flower. I was like, I'm in love with it. Look, it's a blue. Actually, I think my favorite color is blue. I'm not sure. Okay, let me try to clip my hair. Actually, I didn't clip it with them, so it's like first try. But look, it's so adorable. Look, so cute. Oh, I think it's okay. Oh no, look at this. What is that? Wait, let me try it again. It will be really funny if I won't wear it, like won't clip my hair with this just because it can't hold my hair. Um, Look, can you see it? Oh, it's so cute. But I think this like hair clip, if it's not to clip the like my whole hair, just a part of it. Okay, the next thing, it's these shorts. Actually they like short but I don't know, I wanted them. They have like a beach vibe, you know, like this beach vibe. Okay, wait. And these, I don't know, they're really cute. I wanted to buy them. Actually, I never seen people I never saw people I'm sorry, seen people wearing them in my city. But okay, I'll be the first person that will wear them. I don't care. Look, so cute. Yeah, with this clip, I have a beach, not like okay, the beach vibe and the swimsuit, yeah. Under this pants, it will be like so cool. Okay, and the next thing, it's this like short. Is it? I think it's cute actually to wear with these shorts. It will be like so cool. I try it and I like it. And it's the gray color is, you can match it with everything. So yeah, I really like it too. But okay, this bag, it's not like this interesting. The next one is like more interesting than this. But in this, it's like the most interesting. It's this clip. Yeah, look at this. It's so cute. I really like it. Look, it's so adorable. I'm sorry. Okay, the next t-shirt short. It's just like basic one, blue. I already have like the same, but red and black. But I want blue one. I'm sorry, but actually I will have a lot of blue in this whole. I don't know why, but I started to like dark blue things to wear. I don't know. It fits naturally cool, and but I'm also like this color. Okay, the last thing in this bag, it's these shorts. Yeah, another shorts. I think everyone will wear them this summer. It's like the basic of the basics, the common of the commonest. Yeah, but still, look at them. Like beach vibe. Like I'm in a beach and I'm going to swim in the sea. But actually, we don't have a sea here. But I'm sorry, but I still want to have this style. But I think I will start wearing shorts only in summer just because the weather is so bad. Like in the middle of the May, it's only 10, like 50 degrees. It's hilarious. Okay, the next package. I really like these clothes too just because I really wanted them to buy, but I couldn't find them. So yeah, I finally found them. Okay, the first thing, it's this short. Look at it. It's with Tokyo, yes? No, not Tokyo. I'm sorry, Japan. Japan and Kyoto. Yeah, but I want something with. I used to have no. I had a short with Japan too, and so it's another one. But that short with Japan, it's too small for me. So this is the another one, another era. Oh, that short with Japan I used to wear like this summer, and not like that summer, and this summer I will wear this one, and it's actually fits so well. At first I was like, oh, it will be so big on me, but then when I wear it I was like, yo, it looks actually so cool. Oh, I'm really scared that when I will edit my video, I will hear that I speak English so bad just because now it feels like I can't even speak English. I don't even know it. Okay, the next one, I think it's a basic too. When I first saw it in anyone, I was like, yo, I wouldn't buy it. So like, not cool. But when I wear it, I was like, yo, I will buy it. I changed my mind. Look, it's so like it's so like I don't know basic comment, but I'm sorry, I bought it. I'm like everyone. It's with it's with New York City, yeah. But still, it's cool. It's like dark blue. I like clothes with dark blue colors. So yeah, and I think uh, I can fit it really well oh, with some skirt. I think it really looks cool, like skirt or just basic shorts. If it will looks good. So yeah, I need to have it in my wardrobe. I'm sorry. Okay, next thing, it's pants that I really wanted to have. I think they're like really comfortable. It's like baggy pants with these things on the sides. You can like fit. You can fit them whatever you want. Also, you have it that here. Actually, I wanted to buy them, but I couldn't find them. So when I found them, I was like, yo, with everything I'm saying, yo, yeah, you know. And the last short, like, it's not a short, I don't know, it's like a top. I thought that I uh, wouldn't find it in my country, only like to order it, but I found it. Yeah, and I said, yo, it's like this top. You wear it like this. It's without shoulders. Yeah, look at this. It's dark blue again. Yeah, but I'm so happy about it. And actually, that's all. I look. I watched. I saw a lot of uh, oh my god! I saw a lot of pictures with these clothes, but I couldn't buy it just because at first I was a little bit afraid just because I never saw any person wearing like this style in my country. I only saw it in like internet, so I was like, oh, should I buy it or no? But then I was like, who cares about it? No one cares, alright? If somebody cares, then say as cool as a school I am. Yeah, school I am. Oh, how to? It's not working. Okay. And now I will show you all outfits, how they like looks at me. I think you should do it because come on. What if people want to buy too? Okay, let me show you how it looks on me. Okay, the first one. Look at this. It's like this short with City of Japan and these baggy pants. Look, I really like it. Look at me. Yo, it looks really cool. You can like do sports or just go for a walk in it. So it's like for everyday life. Look at my muscles. I'm so strong. Yeah. Okay, the next one. Okay, the next one is this top. Look at this. It's so adorable. And these shorts, they actually not like oversized. They're sit on me really tight. Not like tight, but like yeah, tight. And this top, it's not that much comfortable, but still look at this. It's so cute. Yeah. So, but I think it's better to wear this top with some kind of skirts or maybe long jeans or just pants. But with shorts, it looks cool too. Yeah, cool, but not like that cool. But yeah, the next one. And the last one, it's like these shorts and this, which is short? I don't know. I really like it too just because it's have like really summer white, beach white. Or this one, look, it looks really good. Let me try to clip my hair. Like this. Look at the back. Yo. Look at this hair clip. I hope you can see it. But yeah, I found out how to start like clip my hair correctly so it won't fall. Look, I really like this outfit. It's like for sport. I'm doing this. Oh my god, like to play tennis, maybe basketball, maybe volleyball. Okay, I can do whatever I want in this, but they are like a bit too short. Maybe I need to wear it like protect shorts under it. I'm not sure. Should I? Also, I have like this t-shirt, but I don't know. Should I show how it looks at me? Because it's just like the simple one. But yeah, look, I wear it. Now I think it's the end of the video, so hope you like it. Subscribe, write your comment, and yeah, bye if you want to see more videos.